YouTube, what is going on, man? How you guys doing out there, man? Hope everyone's staying safe. Welcome back to another video, man. So today we're going to talk about breathability. All cars need a good breathing in order to have some good air pumping through the motor and everything, air intake. So we are going to replace this air filter, the original air filter that came with the car here, 2020 Mustang EcoBoost Premium, and we are going to install a K&N filter. So this is not a cold air intake, so we haven't done anything like that yet. The car is still pretty stock. As you can see, I installed the oil catch can there. Boy, that was a bear. I might do a video on that guy. It was not easy, to say the least. The front one, the front tube, that's the hard one. The one in the rear, that's pretty easy. There's a lot of videos out there. I did a Mishimoto oil catch can, but again, this is about K&N. So with that, let's go for it. So this guy here, per the instructions, it says there's a 100,000 mile warranty or 10 years, and then it says to clean it every 50,000 miles. Now obviously we don't want to go 50,000 miles. You want to regularly check this guy. I would say every 10,000 miles you want to check it, just to make sure that it's still pretty clean. You want to dust it off and everything. So if you see it like super black or a lot of gunk in it, a lot of gunk on it, a lot of material or dirt or debris in the filter, obviously you want to go ahead and clean it off, right? But you can clean it off, oil it, and then reuse it. So that's what I like about this guy. It is supposed to give you a little bit of extra horsepower. So I don't know how to measure the horsepower or anything like that, unless you take it to a dyno maybe. But I guess take it with a grain of salt. Might give you 2-3 horsepower, I don't know. But it certainly will help the car, breathe better, that's for sure. So yeah, I got K&Ns on all my other vehicles, my Fusion and the Edge. So we're gonna pop this guy in here for my wife and get her car running smoother. So with that, let me set up the phone here and we'll get going. All right, you guys, so on the top here there's a couple of clips I see, so it's pretty easy. You just want to unclip these two clips here, and then as you can see, it kind of opens up a little bit, right? So on the back end over here on this side, there's a couple of notches where you can kind of slide it through and then pop it up, and then here is your factory filter. Still pretty clean, but see up in here, that's where all the dirt and stuff accumulates. As you can see, there's some in there already. So with these guys, once they get pretty clogged up in there, the car, it just does not breathe as well, right? So K&N is a awesome filter, I think, anyways. I know there's a few other different ones out there. Actually, I think there's one where it's similar to the K&N, but you don't have to wash it or anything like that. I haven't tried it. It's a little pricey, but this K&N for sure will do the job for you. So we open this guy up here, rip up the box while I get it out. There we go. So I'll open it up for you here. This is what it looks like. It's in the bag. I'm going to open up this bag here, and it's already pre-oiled and everything. It's all good to go. So all you got to do is plug and play, man. Pop it in and it's a done deal. So you can see the oil on it and stuff. So you want to, again, lift up your cover here. You just pop it in, I don't know if you can see in the camera there. You just pop it in, perfect fit. And then again, you just slide the back end first. Make sure that your notches are through this top cover. Slide it all the way up. Align it here with your positioning here for the clips. And then you clip them on and it's good to go, man. That's it. Nothing to it. Very simple. So just make sure that it doesn't open up. It's all the edges are closed. You don't want any gaps. Feel around. So with that, that's pretty much it, you guys. Very simple. So yeah, then you can just take your old filter. Probably won't even fit in the box, so you can toss it. Yeah, it won't fit. It's too thick. It's a lot thicker, this part, than the K&N is probably only about that thicker. So all right, so with that, that's pretty much it, you guys. As you can see, is a very quick fix, but it's going to help your car tremendously. Yeah, these guys are really good. You'll feel it too, man. You'll feel the car. It'll just be a lot more responsive, and I think that's because, as K&N states, that it does give you a little bit of extra power, horsepower. So you'll feel the car, man. Once you get going, boom, you'll feel the difference. So I very much recommend these K&N. If you don't do a cold air intake, oh, we'll think about that. But again, this is for my wife. She doesn't want any crazy mods or anything like that. So, you know, her wish is my command. So whatever she wants, we'll do it, man. And it'll save the engine too, you know, just keep it stock and, you know, get good gas mileage and all that good stuff. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Cool, man. If you have any questions, let me know, man. And we got some more videos coming up with this car. Slowly but surely, you know, we're you know, doing some pretty cool mods to it. So stay tuned for some more, you guys. Right on, man. Thank you. Have a good one. Peace.